Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house, guys. It's fall season now. Long time I don't do no baking. Yes, and now we're gonna make some pumpkin oatmeal bread. Super healthy and amazing. Good for breakfast, for snack, whatever you want. Alright guys, so I have some here. You can use squash or you can use pumpkin. So I boil it. So just go in with your fork and crush it out, or you can blend it up too, guys. It's up to you. Okay, so just go and mush it out. All right, that's it. We're gonna set that aside. All right, we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients. I'm not gonna sieve this. All right, so I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. This is some baking powder. All right, and I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons. All right, so 2 teaspoons baking powder. You can put like 1.5 teaspoon baking powder and maybe 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. It's up to you. All right, this is my ground nutmeg. I'm gonna go in with 1/2 teaspoon. Also 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder. You can put a teaspoon if you like cinnamon. And that's it for the dry ingredients right there. Right, that's for the flour base, and we're gonna put this aside. Over here I grease my bread pan and I put some greaseproof paper. Okay, into this bowl I'm gonna put about 1/2 cup of oats. I'm gonna use some coconut milk. All right, and I'm gonna go in with 1 cup of coconut milk to make the oats, you know, get a little bit mushy, like, you know, something like that. You see that, guys? All right, we're gonna mix everything one time. All right guys, just a one pan thing. Okay, into this I'm gonna add 1 egg. You can use 2. The recipe actually calls for 2, but I'm not gonna put a lot of egg. Okay, I have 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla, 1, 2. We're gonna put a pinch of salt, so we're gonna go in with about 1/2 teaspoon salt. Right? This is some almond extract, and I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon. At the same time, after you make your pumpkin puree, called pumpkin puree, you can buy it at the store, guys, or you can make your own. All right, I'm gonna just add. So we wanna measure it out just for the video purpose. Okay, so we want, basically we're gonna see if we can get 1 cup or 3/4 cup is good. Get a spoon. So we are aiming for about 1 cup or 3/4 cup. So I'm gonna see how right I am. Perfect. All right, so a cup. You can use 3/4 cup. All right, I'm gonna pour that in. Remove the spatula a little bit, and you just want to mix it in. Right? You see how easy, guys? Easy as cheese. Then we're just gonna go in with our dry ingredients in 2 portions. And the rest, if you want, you can add some raisins to this one. All right, you see that, guys? It's bread you're making, so you don't want to make it too watery. All right, so after you give it a good little mix, that's it, and we're gonna scoop it down. Remember, you can add few raisins to this. You see that, guys? Don't overmix. Super healthy. All right, now guys, you can add this before or after. It's up to you. Add it when you're adding everything. I totally almost I didn't put the olive oil in there, guys, but see with me. All right, but add it when you're mixing the pumpkin and everything. I'm gonna go in with 1/4 cup olive oil. All right, can't forget the olive oil is the thing I got too dry. It's okay, but still I'm gonna fold it in. All right, when I leave it out at all because the thing I got too dry. And that's it. All right, we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna bake this for about an hour. All right, more or less, I'll let you know. You can use butter, melted butter if you want, maybe about 1/3 cup. That's it. This won't be sweet, all right guys, it's gonna be really good. So just pour that in. And the coconut milk in there, oh, it's gonna be amazing. And it's just enough for one bread. If you like raisins, put some raisins in it, all right? Or you can even use some coconut flakes or shredded coconut, it's up to you. Okay guys, we're gonna be right back. All right my peeps, so this is it. I let it stay in there for an hour and 10 minutes. You can go up to, if you put it at 300 and maybe 60, 365, 1 hour is good. Or depends on your oven. My oven a little bit slow, so hour and 10 minutes, or until when you insert whatever and it comes up clear, you know it's good. Okay, now over here I have a little bit of honey. All right, and I'm just gonna brush the top. Okay, this is the glaze for it. All right, I dilute the honey with a little bit of water. All right guys, we'll be right back when it's cool. It looks pretty. Lift the sides like this. We're gonna put it here. We're gonna let it cool and then we're gonna cut it. And this is how it's looking. Super healthy guys. Yeah. All right guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye guys.